Ngiyakudelela-ke manje ngenduku. Ngicela usizo ngibaba. Ngithathe inyoka ephaketheni, ngiyibonile? Sezenzisa engathi belingelela. Inyoka ilapha ephaketheni. Izinto ezenziwa abantu.
Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. Now you guys saw the clip. It's as if this person who's speaking behind the camera, the girl is obviously sitting in the car while Mpumelelo goes out to greet someone maybe he's familiar with or someone he knows, but obviously she's making a joke out of the fact that Mpumelelo was going to see a traditional healer, and she goes on to say at the end, like, did you see like the snake is in his pocket? Obviously that is just a joke. Like, there's nothing, or I believe there's nothing serious there, or else Mpumelelo would not have posted it. But I think this is a way of Mpumelelo soft launching the new girl who's currently in the scene, because he posted a different video with the girl talking, or who was trying to take pictures of him, and the very same day he posts this video. Yeah, they not Mpumelelo is not wearing the same clothes. I'm guessing it's different videos, but I think there's a purpose in him posting a video that he knows very well. There's a girl speaking in the background, and it doesn't sound like any of the girls that we currently know. So I guess, remember Mpumelelo said in the upcoming season we are gonna see the real first wife to be that is a virgin, and he said that she's a virgin. She's very respectful. She's got a calm demeanor. So maybe this is her, you guys. Maybe, you know what, Mpumelelo said no, she's ready now, to be introduced to the public. But kancane kancane uzovela, you guys. Eventually we'll get to know who it is. But guys, the funny thing is, even though girls know ukuthi Mpumelelo unjani, they are not slowing down, guys. Maybe there's a truth in that girls actually do appreciate honesty, because Mpumelelo says when he approaches these women, he tells them straight up that, listen, this is my situation. I've got many girlfriends, what, so that you don't cry when you hear or see that he has got another girlfriend. So it looks like more women actually accept such things than we actually realize it, guys, because there's no way Mpumelelo is a public figure at this point. His news is all out on the internet, and you're telling me another girl is gonna willingly, like, still put herself in the position of being possibly be made a wife? I don't know. To me, it just seems so wrong, you guys. It seems as if you get into a situation and you're just waiting to be picked by a man. Like, no, it should be a thing with you pick a man and the man must pick you, not to linde yena. But the situation really looks like all of them are just waiting for Mpumelelo to pick and choose of who is going to be made number one, number what. But anyway, that's what they signed up for. If he's telling the truth that he never lies to them, then I mean, he's not all there to blame. Anyway, tell me what you think about this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you guys in the next one.